Perfect conditions for them today in this water. You can see Imco, the Super Cat, out there trimming way up, getting that speed. As we talked about a little bit earlier about running the drives out, you make the speed and then settle them back down. You can see it throws that big rooster tail. They're bringing the drives up to get the boat back up to speed coming out of the turn, and then they'll lay the drive back down. You won't be pushing that rooster tail behind as you level it out.
And it's funny, Ralph, because you look at it and you say, gee, they're really lifting the tail up like that, the drive's up. It's such a fraction of an inch they're raising them.
Right. There's a lot of water.
Glen's going to be very upset. That guy go left him.
Yep. Those two little props move a lot of water behind those boats.
I was talking to Johnny Stanch and Louie about the boat. They just had the motors redone and they still had some gremlins. So they weren't expecting much. They tested it yesterday and were telling me about it.
Yeah. Like I say, two of our youngsters there. How many years of offshore racing between those two? I can't count that high, Val.
Well, you know, like when Louis started, he raced with all the guys from Long Island, and he always did. And then I got involved with the guys from Long Island. I ran with them for a while, and up till last year I ran with one of the guys from Long Island.
Yeah, it's one of them Jersey, New York things. See, once again, Geico with a commanding lead over Sweetwater.
Batman boat's handling very well down that straightaway. She was doing a little porpoise before, now she seems to be settled down, dropped a little weight, and she seems to be running better.
We'll see what happens. Like we talked about earlier, Val, the same thing when these boats start burning off fuel, they get light and they start handling completely different.
That's one of the 35 pounds we were talking about.
That's your second place boat in Class 2 right now going by.